This is an instructional video in the use of the Billy Goat MV650 series vacuum. This vacuum can be used on turf and hard surfaces. As with any Billy Goat product, review the operator's manual provided with the unit and also available at billygoat.com before use. When operating the equipment, use gloves and eye protection. To adjust intake height, turn the crank located on the left of the unit between the wheels in a clockwise motion to lower the intake and counterclockwise to raise the intake. Push down on the handle with one hand to offset the weight on the wheels to make it easier to adjust the height. A great rule of thumb is to set the intake height approximately 1/2 to 3/4 inch above the surface which is to be vacuumed. The 29-inch intake door is adjustable from a lever on the right of the machine at the operator position. It allows you to increase or decrease the intake's opening size depending on the debris or use on turf, hard surfaces, or hose applications. Effective use is to operate the vacuum similar to a vacuum cleaner being used on carpet. Clean an area by operating the vacuum in a fan-like pattern, then move to another area and repeat. To start the engine, push the throttle all the way to the choke position. Pull the rope to start. If you have the electric start model, a toggle switch is located on the center handle shaft which connects the hood to the handle. Simply set the choke, lift the toggle switch, and push it forward to start the unit. Once the engine starts, slide the throttle back enough that it takes the engine off of choke and is running at the desired RPM. Tip: run the unit at the lowest RPM required to pick up the debris. Running at higher RPM will not hurt the unit, but will cause additional dust and noise. On the self-propelled model, 3 speeds are available and accessed from the lever on the handle's right side. Monitor bag fullness by occasionally nudging the bottom of the bag with your foot. Slightly compacted firmness or decreased suction effectiveness indicates it is time to empty the bag. If the bag is not overfilled, it will be much easier to empty. To empty the bag, unclip the 2 connecting straps on the back side located just under the unit's handle, and the bag will drop down. Pull back on the bag frame for removal and carry the bag to the dumping station. To reinstall the bag, slide the top of the bag's front frame lip up the bag ramp. Lift the frame upward and reattach the 2 straps. Tip: make sure to reseat the bag frame properly when reinstalling by pushing the frame as far forward as it will go before relatching the straps. Failure to do so will leak dust from the top of the bag when resuming operation.